heading down to the beach for the first time in like, I don't know, man. It's been a couple months, but I finally have time. I'm going surfing. I have my board, I have everything packed up. I had to do some stuff earlier in the morning, so getting kind of late, but it's all good. It's all good. Well, just got to the inlet. It's pretty cold. It says 43. It's windy, so who knows what the actual temperature is, but I haven't even checked it yet. I saw a few guys going out already, so hopefully it's not gonna be too crowded. Hopefully there's some waves. I'm just gonna go, and I'm gonna check it. So, see you out in the water.
Gotta get burnt to get the good one sometimes, dude. Oh, yeah.